Good morning and welcome to the Serenity Station. For you who are new to my channel, I offer oracle card messages. I am using Oracle of the Unicorns just to hear what advice and messages the unicorns wants to give us. It helps us to navigate our day with positivity and purpose. Okay, let's start. I'm going to give this card a good shuffle. So I normally use 3 cards. And then you can see which one you resonate the most with. And then that's your guidance for the day. The first card is anger. Which you can use in a good way sometimes. The message will say more. The second one is nature. The third one is patience. So anger, safely express your anger. Use anger as a positive force. Honor all of your emotions as sacred. Let's hear the full message of anger. You may feel angry at yourself, another person, or with the situation in your life, but feel it is somehow unspiritual to express your rage. This fire unicorn is charging in to assure you that anger is not a negative energy. It has as much purpose and value as kindness or love. Feeling or expressing anger is not unspiritual. It is sacred to honor your emotions, and anger can be the fire you need to pull you out of a swamp of lethargy, hopelessness, or doubt. Anger can be the force that helps you overcome fear and take action. It can be the surge of power you need to finally set a boundary and say no to someone or something that is disempowering you. Anger can also be the key to unlocking deeper fears and being free of the wounds that lie beneath them. Anger is only dangerous when you repress or deny it. Just like a volcanic lava flow, if it builds up, it can be a destructive force when it finally erupts. This fire unicorn wants you to acknowledge your anger, get to the heart of what is upsetting you, and let yourself be angry. Feel it and revel in its messy beauty. Dance, stomp, and roar from your anger. Pummel the cushions. Scream out all of your fury. Give yourself permission to fully feel, unleash, and release your anger. So long as you are not misdirecting your anger at anyone else, it can be empowering. Use it to fill yourself with life force and to move forward out of denial and repression. There is wildness and beauty in your anger, and it can be such a gift when you see it as sacred. So the second card, nature. Ground yourself, find a sanctuary in nature, connect with the elementals. Okay. Spend time out in nature before you make a decision or take your next step in this situation. Either you need the clarity of mind that time in nature will bring you, or you need to release some stress and become more calm and grounded before moving forward. The unicorns ask you to find a beautiful sanctuary where you can be surrounded by nature and breathe in pure air, relax and connect more deeply with your heart. Not only will this be soothing for your soul, it will help you listen to your inner wisdom and gain new perspective of this situation. Venture out into a meadow, a forest, a mountain, or a beach where you can find peace and solitude. If you can, take off your shoes and go barefoot. Feel the soil or sand beneath you. Close your eyes and open all of your senses. Feel the breeze brushing against your skin and the sun warming you. Listen to the sound of birds, waves, or rustling leaves. Breathe in the scents of flowers, tree sap, and salt air. Imagine your cares and worries melting away from you as Mother Nature cradles you in her arms. Sink deeper into her presence as you become more grounded. Imagine yourself connected heart to heart with the earth and feel at one with all of the life around you, from the tiniest insects to the tallest trees. Call on the devas, unicorns, and the other elementals in this place, including the fairies or mermaids. Set intentions for miracles, love, and abundance, and ask for guidance to support you on your path. Visualizing your desires in nature can help them manifest faster. So take the time to sit, relax, and imagine your dream life as if it's already happening. Give thanks when you leave and give back by doing something to take care of the earth by donating to an environmental non-profit, volunteering, buying eco products, or recycling more. Okay. And the third one, patience. Pause before you take action. Trust that divine timing is at work. Be patient and play whilst you wait. Let's see the message. Now is not the time to charge ahead with this project or opportunity. No matter how excited you are or how good it seems, the divine is at work putting more pieces into place so that your next step can unfold. You may be anxious that nothing is happening with this situation and wonder whether you should be doing more to make it happen. Rest assured, the opposite is true. You have done the work, you have set your intentions, You have made your request to the universe. There is something just around the corner that needs a little more time to materialize. It is time to hold space so that your manifestation can occur. Let go of when or how that should happen. Release any concerns about missing out. You may not see any progress on the physical plane, but plenty is happening behind the scenes. Trust that whatever is coming will be in the perfect form and at the perfect time for you. This gentle unicorn encourages you to relax into the spirit of waiting, knowing you will need your full energy when the time to act arrives. And those are the messages for today from the unicorns. Thank you so much for all the support you are showing. It means so much to me. Everyone, have a beautiful and blessed day and week. And I will see you soon again. Bye.